Hello students, how are you all? Are you fine? I hope you will be fine. Dear students, I Dr. Lal Babu Jaiswal, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Commerce, Banaras University, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, India. I have discussed about in previous class I have discussed about the income tax provisions regarding to the advance payment of the tax, regarding to the assessment of association of person, assessment of body of individual, and various types of provisions regarding to the assessment of the individual as well as HUF. Dear students, as per section 2 subsection 31 refers to the person. Section 2 subsection 7 refers to the assessee. Partnership firm is also a type of assessee. In today's class, I am going to discuss about the assessment of partnership firm, limited liability partnership firm, and their partners. Basic concept. Dear students, in previous class, we have discussed about the assessment of individual, assessment of Hindu undivided family, assessment of individual, assessment of Hindu undivided family, assessment of AOP, BOI, and now I am going to discuss about the assessment of partnership firm. Dear students, partnership firm, basic concept of the partnership firm is a relationship between persons who have agreed to share the profit of a business carried on by all or any of them acting for all. Dear students, in the case of partnership business, the business which is run by two or more than two person, and in between or among that person having a evidence of instrument, and any one person is acting all types of business activities on behalf of all partners or behalf of the partnership firm, will be treated as a partnership business. Or we can say the business which is run by two or more than two person having a evidence of instrument, this types of business is called partnership business. Under the partnership business, these persons are under the partnership business, the person who involves directly or indirectly in the partnership business is called the partners. Under the partnership firm, partners may be two types. Attention please. First, active partner. Second, sleeping partner. Active partners are the partners who involves directly all types of business activities of the partnership business, as well as introducing the amount of capital. But in the case of sleeping partner introduce only capital, not any types of participation as the business activities, partnership business activities. So dear students, in the case of types of the partnership firm may be two types. First, limited liability partnership LLP, or second, unlimited liability partnership. In the case of limited liability partnership and in the case of unlimited partnership, the assessment of the income tax, assessment of the income are given in the next slide. Dear students, this slide represents the limited liability partnership firm and unlimited liability partnership firm can be divided into two groups. First group, the such types of firm who fulfills the condition 184. Condition 184, the firm who fulfills the condition 184, and second, the firm who does not fulfill the condition 184. So dear students, the partnership firm who fulfills the condition 184, it means the partnership firm having a evidence of instrument. The partnership firm fulfills all types of legal obligations and legal responsibilities. In the case of not fulfill the rule 184, so it means the firm does not fulfills any condition regarding to the partnership act. The firm have not any types of evidence of instruments. So dear students, in this slide, it represents assessment as a firm, section 184. Assessment as a firm. Dear student, this section is not applicable to limited liability partnership. First, a firm shall be assessed as a firm. A firm shall be assessed as a firm if the partnership is evidenced by an instrument and the individual share of partnership are specified in that instruments. Dear students, it is my humble submission before all of you. Evidence of instrument means partnership deed. Evidence of instrument means partnership agreement. Evidence of instrument means लिखित समझौता. Dear students, evidence of instrument means all types of partnership agreement in which the terms and conditions regarding to the profit sharing ratio PSR, the terms and conditions regarding to the interest on capital, the terms and conditions regarding to the all types of expenses and income relating provision. So dear students, and second one is individual share of partnership are specified in that share. I have already said profit sharing ratio PSR is given. So section 184 means a certified copy of instrument of partnership deed shall accompany the return of income of the firm for the previous year relevant to the assessment year in respect of which assessment as a firm is first sought. Assessment of the firm is first sought. It means the firm is assessed first time as a firm under the income tax provision. Second one is if once a firm is assessed as a firm by any assessment year, it shall continue to be assessed as a firm. It shall continue to be assessed as a firm for every subsequent year. If there is no change in the constitutions of the firm, It means if the firm is assessed any one time, so further the firm will be assessed like as a firm until or unless there is no major change. There is no major change in the constitutions. And next one is, if any changes taken place in previous year, the firm shall furnish a certified copy of revised partnership deed along with the return of income for the relevant previous year. बच्चों, this is the rules of 184 of Income Tax Act 1961. So dear students, if there is one part of the firm any failure to comply with the provision section 184, so it means failure to file the return of income, failure to comply with the term of notice issued under section 142 subsection 1 or 143 subsection 2. The firm shall be assessed as a firm. In such a case, the following provisions shall apply. Dear students, if any firm does not fulfills the rule 184 or failure to provision 144 and such types of firm, in such types of case, the firm cannot claim any deduction. The firm cannot claim any deduction by way of payment of interest, bonus, salary, commission, interest, bonus, salary, commission. Dear student, and remuneration, BSC, bonus, salary, commission, by whatever name called, by the firm to its partners shall be allowed in computing the income chargeable under the head PGBP. So dear friends, such types of firm, the interest which is paid by the firm, in this case such interest, salary, bonus, commission and remuneration shall not be chargeable to tax in the hands of the partner, under profit and gains from business and profession. It means बच्चों, if the firm does not claim the amount of interest, bonus, salary, commission, so then it shall not be chargeable to tax in the hands of the partners under the head of profit and gains of business and profession. Dear students, section 184, if the section 184 is not fulfilled by the partnership firm, so then 185 will be applied. In this case, assessment when section 184 not complied, when section 184 not complied by the assessee, then the firm will be assessed under section 185. In this case, where a firm does not comply with the provision of section 184 for any assessment year, the firm shall be assessed for the assessment year as a firm, and no deduction by way of payment of interest, bonus, salary, commission or remuneration by whatever name called made by the firm to its partner shall be allowed in computing the income chargeable under the head of profit and gains from business and profession. Third, such interest, salary, bonus, commission shall not be chargeable in the hands of the partnership. Partners are partner of the firm under the profit and gains of business and profession. Dear students, section 40 subsection small b. Section 40 subsection small b is very important component at the time of assessment of the partnership firm. Dear students, first, interest is allowed to working and non-working partner both. Interest is allowed in working and non-working both types of partnership firm, but interest is not allowed 12% per annum. 12% per annum. Interest is not allowed at the rate of 12% per annum. Dear students, interest must be on or after the deed. Interest should not be paid by the partnership firm before making the partnership deed. And such types of interest will be 12% up to maximum 12% per annum. Dear student, remuneration to partner means bonus, salary, commission. Bonus, salary, commission. Remuneration partner means BSC. Bonus, salary, commission. BSC. Bonus, salary, commission. And remuneration is allowed to only working partner, not allowed to sleeping partner. Remuneration must be authorized by the partnership deed. Remuneration must be authorized by the partnership deed. And third one is remuneration must be on or after remuneration must be on or after the deed. Remuneration must be on or after the deed. So dear students, and maximum remuneration will be not more than statutory limit. Statutory limit is on first 3 lakh rupees book profit, 90% of rupees 3 lakh or 1,50,000, whichever is excess, whichever is more, and on balance book profit 60% of balance book profit. So this is the way where the book profit is computed. This is the way where the statutory limit of the remuneration is computed. Dear students, in this slide we are trying to discuss about the pro forma of book profit. Book profit is a such types of profit which is derived on the basis of net profit as per profit and loss account. And to net profit as per profit and loss account, disallowed expenses are included, disallowed incomes are minus, allowed income are plus, and allowed expenses are minus. So dear students, dear friends, this is the pro forma of the computation of book profit. At the time of preparation the book profit, at the time of preparation of the book profit, net profit as per profit and loss account, generally it is taken. In the case of net profit as per profit and loss account, the all types of disallowed expenses are included. All types of disallowed expenses means bonus, salary, commission. If the bonus, salary, commission is already deducted and after the deduction net profit has been come, so such types of remuneration is included at the time of computing the book profit. If the bonus, salary, commissions are not minus already, without minus the net profit is arrived, so then such types of bonus, salary and commissions are not taken at all at the time of computation of income from profession. So dear students, so in the case of computing the book profit, net profit as per profit and loss account plus all types of disallowed expenses will be included. Interest excess than 12%. Interest excess than 12% is also included. Dear students, and income from other sources, income from various types of deposit will be minus, and resulting figure will be treated as a book profit. Dear friends, at the time of computing the PGBP, at the time of computing the PGBP, profit gains and business and profession. The profit gains and business and profession also, such types of income which is based on the business. But in this chapter, partnership business, the income which is arrived, which is got by the person, are treated as a income from partnership business. But at the time of computing the book profit, profit as per profit and loss account. In the case of profit as per profit loss account, all types of disallowed expenses are included. Disallowed expenses are minus, allowed expenses are added, and allowed incomes are minus. Dear students, attention please, pay attention again. Disallowed expenses are plus, disallowed expenses are minus, allowed expenses are minus, allowed incomes are plus. So dear students, this is the pro forma of book profit after computation of the book profit. Income from partnership business is required to compute. Dear students, at the time of computing the income from partnership business, at the time of computing the total income as well as gross total income, this pro forma must help to all of us. In first column, book profit which is calculated already, if it is given in the question as a book profit, so there are no need to prepare a calculation the book profit. So first of all, book profit of the firm will be write down in outer column of the pro forma. Remuneration paid to working partner. Remuneration paid to working partner will be included. Actual remuneration or statutory remuneration, whichever is less. So dear student, at the time of starting the slide number 2, I have discussed about the such types of pro forma. Dear students, and when the income from partnership business is computed, then it is required to compute the gross total income. In the case of computing the gross total income, after the computing the gross total income, it is required to compute the total income. From gross total income, the deductions of chapter 6A are deducted, so then finding value will be treated as a total income. Deduction from 80C to 80U is deducted. So gross total income is representing the sum of total of income of 5 heads. Sum of income of 5 heads, section 80B, subsection 5. So like in this question, it is also made, but in the case of partnership business, there is no need to search the income from salary, because partnership firm is not a natural person. Partnership firm is a artificial person. The partnership firm having no income from salary. But four types of heads of the income are included. First, income from house property. Second, income from business and profession. Fourth, capital gain. Fifth, income from other sources. So, dear students, these, if the four heads income are sum, then finding value will be treated as a gross total income. Gross total income and 80C to 80U, which are applicable at the time of assessment of the partnership firm, so then it will be minus. So then resulting figure will be called the total income. After total income, tax payable is computed. After computing the total income, income of after computing total income, the deductions from 80C to 80U are required to compute. So after it, tax payable by the firm is computed. Tax payable, after payment of the tax, the profit which is derived by the partnership firm after the tax will be distributed between or among their PSR and profit sharing ratio. Dear students, this is the pro forma of the computation of income of partners. Partners are the such types of member who involves in the partnership business with their capital and with their services. So, at the time of computing the income from partnership, income from partners of the partnership business, this pro forma directly helps all of us. First, remuneration from the firm. Remuneration from the firm means bonus, salary, commission. Bonus, salary, commission, this is called the remuneration. This such types of amount which is received by partners in the shape of remuneration, in the shape of any income, will be included under this. This is called remuneration of firm in the ratio of remuneration as per did. And second one is interest on partnership business. Interest on partnership business will be taken over at the time of computing the income from firm, income from partnership firm. So, dear students, this is the important note for each and everyone, and for us also. Brought forward unabsorbed depreciation. Brought forward. What is the brought forward? So, brought forward unabsorbed business loss is not deductible to arrive at book profit. And at the time of computing the book profit, they know any types of expenses are deducted. Non-business income and their concern are non-business expenses are not included in computing the profit. Not any types of expenses or items which are not directly related to the business or profession should not be included at all. But on the basis of accounting rules, on the basis of some types of income tax provision, there are some types of contradicts between rules of the accounting and rules of the income tax law. So, dear students, computation of tax. So, in this case, short-term capital gain is required to compute the 15%. Section 111A. 15% will be computed between 15%. So, dear students, if the security, if income is derived on the basis of short-term capital gain, the following conditions are satisfied. Condition for section 111A. Asset is equity share of a company. Asset is a equity share of a company. Units of an equity oriented funds are unit of business trust. Transaction is chargeable to security transaction tax, otherwise normal rate of tax is applicable. Dear students, long-term capital gain 10% or 20% under section 12. So dear student, these are the some conditions which are help to solve the question. Dear students, section 112A. Section 112A, 112A applicable on long-term asset. Applicable on long-term asset is equity share of a company. Units of an equity-oriented funds are unit of a business trust. Dear students, and what are the conditions where security transaction tax and STT is charged? First, winning from lottery, card games, puzzles, horse race, etc. is pay 30%. This types of income is called casual income or unsustained income. Rate of the tax is the maximum rate and 30%. Surcharge 12% and surcharge 12% if the income exceed 1 crore. If the income does not exceed rupees 1 crore, dear students, so there is no need to charge the surcharge. Dear student, marginal relief. Marginal relief means where total income exceed 1 crore and total amount payable as a income tax and surcharge on such income shall not be exceed, ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, shall not be exceed that total amount payable is as income tax on total income of 8 lakh of 1 crore by more than the amount income exceed rupees 1 crore. So dear student, these are the basic provision. Second one is education cess, health and education cess 4%, it will be included. So dear students, these are the some provisions at the time of chargeable to security transaction tax. So dear student, with the help of this discussion, section 184, 185, section 44B, we are able to say you are got in each and every point clearly. If any problem, so without any hesitations, you can call me. Dear students, partnership, I have also discussed partnership firm business is a such a types of business which is run by 2 or more than 2 persons on behalf of all of them or on behalf of them. Him. So dear students, with this lecture, with the discussion, I thanks to each and everyone and hope I will see you all in next class with the income tax provisions regarding to the appeals, revision, income tax authority, income tax procedure. These are the some types of topic which would be covered in future by me with the help of the PPT. So again, thanks to each and everyone for your nice cooperation and meeting.